Now that I had downloaded the source and built sdrtrunk on my computer, I had a problem. Everything in my local area is encoded in P25, and I needed to be able to decode it. Luckily, there is a decoder made available at DShear's GitHub. It's called JMBE. We're going to do the same thing with it that we did with sdrtrunk. We're going to grab its address. We're going to switch to a new terminal window. We're going to change directory to our users' downloads. And then we're going to get clone, and we're going to paste that address. Once we do that, it's going to bring the source to our computer. We're going to list the contents of our directory. We're going to list the contents of our directory, and there's a brand new folder called JMBE. So we're going to change directories to JMBE, and we're going to list the contents again. There again, Gradle W is executable, so we're going to use it to build with the command /gradlew build. It's going to download Gradle, and once it's done downloading Gradle, it's going to compile the source for us. And with a successful build, we're going to find the jar. We're going to list the contents, and you'll see that there's a new build directory. If you look up here, no build. Look down here, build. So we're going to change directories into build and list the contents. There again is a folder called libs, so we're going to change directory into libs, and we're going to list the contents. There should be a new jar there, which is the JMBE decoder. Now all we need to do is change back over to sdrtrunk and tell it where that jar is. It's going to ask us here, if we go to View, Preferences, our first choice is the JMBE audio library. Remember that we put that in our users' downloads. JMBE build libs jar.
Three reckless for Rutland and Metric. Subject in a bronze Nissan Murano with a female driver pulled a baseball bat out and threatened the complainant. Suspect continued northbound on Metric. Complainant development contact, Decoder 1629.